These are all the sensor readings of Sankcy's steps, at a time when President Zelensky of Ukraine gave Belarus an ultimatum and less than a day remains, Belarus has finally backed down. Belarus has completely suspended the operation of communication equipment that was used to support Russian drone attacks. Belarus backed down just 6 days after the Ukrainian government sent a strong warning and demanded that Belarus remove the equipment. President Zelensky told reporters on June 14 that based on his information, the equipment is no longer in use. However, he added that it has not yet been confirmed whether the equipment has been completely removed or if its operation has only been temporarily suspended. He emphasized that the only confirmed fact at present is that the equipment is no longer functioning. The Ukrainian government previously said communication relay equipment in Belarus was aiding Russian military drone operations. The system reportedly includes relay equipment on communication towers, which the Ukrainian side said supported long-range Shahed series drone flights launched by Russia toward Ukraine. Shahed-type attack drones used by the Russian military need navigation and communication support for long-distance flights. The Ukrainian government determined that Belarusian communication infrastructure is aiding Russian drone operations, considering it a direct national security threat. However, Belarus has decided to suspend operations due to pressure from Ukraine. Andriy Demchenko, spokesperson for the Ukrainian border guard, said on June 24th that fewer Russian attack drones are entering the northern Chernihiv region. He also explained that large-scale Shahed drone attacks along the Belarus-Ukraine border have also been suspended. This issue is getting more attention because of Belarus and Russia's close ties. Alexander Lukashenko, who has ruled Belarus since 1994, is considered a key ally of Russia and has continued political support and military cooperation with Russia even after its invasion of Ukraine. Right at the beginning of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, attacks were launched through Belarus. Meanwhile, in response to President Zelensky's warning, the Russian side reacted strongly. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov criticized Ukraine for showing an aggressive attitude toward Belarus and violating Belarus's sovereignty. The Kremlin also announced that Russian President Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin and Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko will soon hold talks to discuss this issue. Anyway, it seems that the issue that almost led to a clash between Belarus and Ukraine has been resolved like this. However, it is clear that this is still a very uncomfortable situation for Russia. If there are more updates, I'll cover them in a video and upload it. That concludes the video. Thank you.
Ja.